Hey guys, we're Courts Meeks and we're at Camp Creator.
Yeah, we're with Mr Alex Frood and he is going to give us a quick van tour in 3 minutes.
Yeah, but first a little intro from him.
Hey, my name's Alex. I run a channel called Mr Alex Adventures, which is all about building vans. I'm full-time in my van, mostly around Scotland, summer or winter, and primarily I work as an expedition leader and now do van-related work as well for a business.
He's a very cool guy.
Right, we're going to set your timer and you're going to have 3 minutes to show us everything that you want about your van.
Okie doke.
Think you're up to the challenge?
I think I can do that. We'll see.
Okay. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Go.
Cool. This is my 2018 Mark 8 Transit, called Yeti, hence the number plate.
Nice.
And it's got an overall travel theme, so let me give you a quick tour of the van. It's designed to be sort of a 4-season van, so for summer and winter. I've got insulated bulkhead. You can walk through into the cab. It keeps the heat. It gets really hot in there in the summer, or vice versa in the winter. Keeps the hot air from cooling down the van. The main feature is right here. I have a recirculating shower system, which means I can have unlimited hot water showers. The water gets put through all these filters and a UV sterilizer and then back into the hot tank, so I can have a shower for an hour if I want, and it only uses about 15 litres of water, and maybe I change that water every 4 showers. It's also a kit drying room, so I can put wetsuits in there and dry all my kit off. That water is heated by the Chinese diesel heater, using a Bubble Van's hot water heater, and that uses your normal Chinese diesel heater. Puts out hot air through a matrix and it heats up the water really quickly. Also, I get free water nowadays from excess solar, so when my batteries are full, automatically turns on a hot water element and uses that additional solar power to power the water. I've got an induction stove, just a single hob, and I find with the amount of power I've got in the van, that works absolutely fantastically. Lots of smart lighting and Philips Hue, so I can control that all remotely. A lot of people are going to say, where's the bed? My whole bed folds down from the side. It's a bit like a Murphy bed. So you can just drop panels and pull the bed down. And that goes all the way from the back doors to the seats, and that's about a Super King. Your normal fridge most people have. Lights everywhere, max fan, and all the electrics down here, all powered by a Victron kit, and I'm using batteries from an electric vehicle. So I've got 390 amp hours of lithium.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of energy.
Your Alexa? Tell us about your Alexa.
I've got she should not be named, the good old Amazon Alexa or other voice assistants which can turn on the electrics or do whatever I want with the lights. Additionally, it all works as like a smart home network. I can turn things on like that. And then behind the bed I've got a 28-inch monitor where I can watch my Apple TV or play on my Xbox. All powered by the sun.
Oh my goodness me.
And a bit of engine charging, and yeah, I live full time, and it's very, for me, I didn't want a garage. I like to be able to walk through, sit on the back, and I can have plenty storage being full time without being too overweight.
Amazing. Wow. How are we doing for time?
30 seconds still to go.
Oh, 30 seconds, right. If we come out the back door, you can sort of see how the bed works. The mattress are folded up there, and on the roof I've got 500 watts of solar panels.
Beast.
Beauty.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Did it?
You did it!
Still 10 seconds.
Yeah, don't need any more.
No.
I reckon that's the best we're going to get, you know.
I know. He set the par quite high, hasn't he?
So we've left Alex's YouTube handle in the description and probably pasted it somewhere on the screen as well. So go give him a follow.
Time's up.
Boom.
Brilliant.
Very good. Well, thank you
much.
very much for giving us a tour.
No problem at all.
And we're very happy that we've decided to park next to you, so our colour
Exactly.
schemes go together.
It's just great use of orange.
I know, absolutely. Fantastic.